Imagine a lightning bolt striking your business. Everything stops, and the damage could be severe. What if you could prevent that? Lightning protection systems are the shield every business needs. They safely redirect lightning into the ground, preventing fires, electrical damage, and injuries. Think of it as a defense team. Lightning rods catch the strike, conductors guide the energy, and the grounding system disperses it. Advanced systems like early streamer emission technology even attract lightning before it hits, offering extra protection. Safeguard your employees, customers, and property, and save on repairs, downtime, and insurance. Regular maintenance ensures it works when needed most. If you're in a storm-prone area, act now before the next storm. Stay safe and follow for more videos like this.